In a shocking turn of events, Musk and Twitter CEO Parag Agrawal failed to appear for depositions on Monday as part of an ongoing merger dispute, despite court-filed scheduling notifications. But what's going on? Well, the problem is that both sides are making various very smart and unexpected moves to somehow gain an advantage in this battle. Moreover, Twitter's problems with Elon Musk appear to have had a negative impact on the company's workers. Since Musk's June speech to Twitter workers, hundreds have allegedly quit in what looks like a Musk-fueled relocation. This is a very interesting story, so let's explain it. Employees at Twitter never seemed to embrace Elon Musk's purchase offer in the first place. This was obvious in public remarks made by Twitter workers on the social media site, with several openly admitting that they did not want Tesla CEO Elon Musk to take over the firm. Moreover, Musk's virtual conference in June, during which he hinted that layoffs would be inevitable, did little to boost staff morale. According to two people familiar with Twitter's operations and attrition rate, around 100 workers departed the social media firm in the 3 weeks following the Tesla CEO's virtual conference. Things grew worse after Musk stated that he was withdrawing his takeover bid, and Twitter sued him. Twitter has lost around 700 full-time employees worldwide as of late September. According to the publication sources, many who left the firm mentioned Musk and the instability surrounding his acquisition of Twitter as the cause for their departure. A Twitter spokesman stated that the firm anticipated increasing attrition even before Musk entered the scene. According to the spokeswoman, the company's retention has also been impacted by macroeconomic issues. This is particularly intriguing because, in its legal actions against Musk, Twitter said that high attrition was one of the negative consequences of Musk's effort to back out of his buyout arrangement. While the loss of 700 employees may not be as substantial for a firm like Tesla, which employs over 100,000 people, it is significant for a company like Twitter. The social network firm reported that it hired roughly 7,500 employees as of February. Still, as of June 2022, that number rose to nearly 8,200. This equates to an 8.5% total loss. Keeping this in mind, it appears that Elon Musk and his subsequent legal concerns with Twitter have caused challenges for the social media firm. Despite prior scheduling notifications filed in a Delaware court, Musk and Twitter CEO Parag Agrawal did not appear for depositions on Monday as part of an ongoing merger dispute, signaling another twist in a widely watched case regarding the future of one of the world's most powerful social media platforms. Both men's testimony is deemed crucial in the case surrounding Musk's deal to acquire, and then try to get out of buying, Twitter for $44 billion. Earlier court files said Musk would be deposed beginning September the 26th, while a Saturday filing stated Agrawal would be questioned beginning Monday morning. However, according to one source familiar with the situation, Agrawal's deposition is being pushed back. According to sources acquainted with the matter, the dates mentioned in the deposition notices filed with the court are not necessarily the dates agreed upon by the two parties to officially commence questioning. Nonetheless, the two parties look to be in disagreement regarding the plans. According to another person familiar with the matter, Musk's lawyer, Alex Spiro, flew to San Francisco on the 25th, intending to participate in Agrawal's deposition the next day. However, according to the source, Musk's team learned of Agrawal's rescheduling that same day. It was unclear whether or not a new date had been set. Musk's deposition notice, dated September the 19th, said that the entrepreneur was due to appear in Delaware beginning Monday morning. However, Spiro stated that Musk was not scheduled to be questioned on that day, as of Monday afternoon. The schedule changes come from a 3-hour hearing in which the two parties present a case on several outstanding discovery matters. This includes Musk's team demand for more account information from Twitter and a request from Twitter relating to a court order requiring Musk's team to deliver information relevant to its expert analysis of bots on the platform. In addition, according to Brooklyn Law School professor Andrew Jenkins, materials collected during discovery, including internal records and correspondence, are frequently utilized to influence questions during depositions. Depositions are the final stage of the discovery process, according to Jennings, who said that the parties might desire to postpone such critical depositions until they get information relating to their remaining discovery requests. However, there could still be some back and forth over document findings, and unresolved disagreements driving some of this. Musk has attempted to back out of the merger agreement by alleging that Twitter's spam account problem is significantly worse than it has admitted, and by highlighting charges of long-standing unsolved security flaws exposed by the company's former head of security, Peter Mudge-Zatko. In accordance with the whistleblower protocol, the allegations were also presented to the US government last month. Musk's team may ask Agrawal about Zadko's whistleblower charges during his deposition. From November 2020 until January 2021, Zadko oversaw Twitter's security staff. Twitter has previously stated that Zadko's charges depict a false narrative of the firm and that Musk's assertions are factually incorrect, legally inadequate, and economically irrelevant. Leading members of the Senate Judiciary Committee sent Agrawal a letter earlier this month, demanding similar information and asking for responses by September the 26th. Still, it is unclear if Twitter has responded. The committee did not immediately respond to a request for comment. According to Senator Chuck Grassley, Agrawal declined an offer to speak alongside Zadko at a Senate committee hearing earlier this month, citing the Musk dispute. Twitter and Musk are scheduled for a trial in mid-October over the acquisition dispute. Agrawal's abrupt rescheduling and apparent no-show fueled rumours that Twitter and Musk were discussing an out-of-court settlement. While other depositions in the $44 billion court war have been conducted remotely or through video conference, such as former CEO Jack Dorsey, Musk's team is alleged to have insisted on an in-person interview with Agrawal. According to documents acquired from two data scientists employed by Musk, they assessed the number of phony accounts on the site in early July to be between 5.3% and 11%, the Twitter lawyer told a Delaware judge. According to the lawyer, Bradley Wilson, none of those other assessments remotely corroborated what Musk wrote on Twitter and in the termination letter. Musk and his counsel did not respond to a request for clarification. They are expected to go on trial in Wilmington on October the 17th in Delaware's Court of Chancery. Wilson mentioned the data scientists' analysis at a hearing in which both sides asked the judge to force the other side to give over more messages or documents as discovery. A court document also stated that Musk's deposition had been delayed from this week to October the 6th to 7th. Musk's deposition is likely to be an essential aspect of the case. He has been aggressive under oath in previous hearings. Brian Quinn, a law professor at Boston College, says scheduling depositions is essential. Twitter could be better served by waiting for Musk's questioning until they have secured his correspondence. To have all the evidence, Quinn advised delaying the best witnesses until the end. That's it for today. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell.